Well, here it is. It's 10:44 a.m. Saturday, September 18th, and I'm inside this museum in Harrisville, where the car show is across the street and out here at the church. And she right where we are too here. Smells in here. See this old looking old fashioned kitchen in here. Like a malt shop. Pillsbury Doughboy. Right there's a picture. That old car there. Old buggy.
That probably will keep a few select pieces and then auction off the rest.
That's the worst part about stuff like this.
Yes, it is.
I had when years ago, I was with a guy that had a welding shop. And the welders were running a Ford 60 horsepower flathead.
License plates in here. Might just have to take a picture of it and get a video of here. Let me know if I will see you outside here.
Yeah.
Get behind me and follow me. You get the purpose.
Get it on, bang it on, get it on.
You never see him without a Hot Wheel.
There's one here at 11:29. There's some more here at 12:06 p.m. That one there. Anyways, here. There's a green one right there. I don't think I got it before. It's 102. That's there now. I heard it's 1:41 p.m. There aren't very many more cars coming. Here, we'll finish up at 2 o'clock, so this is the end. Goodbye.